Hello everybody and welcome in a new video. It has been a while since I've uploaded my last video, so I thought why not doing another one. And today's video is actually not a tutorial, it's just a walkthrough or a breakdown for this artwork that I've done recently. You can find many other of my artworks on my Instagram. Here is the artwork that I've just showed you. This artwork was actually inspired by James Films or James Reilly from Instagram. He does amazing artworks and it has really inspired me to do uh, something similar to him. So, as I've said before, this tutorial is just, or this video is just a walkthrough for the artwork, so nothing deep. So as you can see here, the scene is pretty much simple. There is nothing, or there is no many items in the scene, so I've separated the objects into collection just to show you guys how I've proceeded for this artwork. So first thing, I've modeled this simple room. I don't know, it's pretty much a open room. So as you can see here, just started from a cube and started extruding and try to have a little room right here. And I've used a solidify modifier to give it some thickness. Just simple modeling, nothing fancy. And for the sand, oh yeah, before going to the sand, I just want to show you the how does the room looks before or during the rendering. As you can see here, the texture that I've used is of course it's not procedural texture. I've uploaded it from C0 Textures. It's a website that provides free textures and they are all for free. You can use them in your artworks. So you have just to click Ctrl Shift T on the principled BSDF and browse into the location of the textures and they will be applied directly. So that's it for the little room. Next thing that I've added is a sand, some items that are the sand and the floor right here. As I've said, I've added the sand to give the scene more depth, and the construction of the scene, the sand was pretty easy. This one is just plain, that is subdivided, and for this part I've used proportional editing for giving it these shapes here. So just select a vertex or face, grab it on the Z with the proportional editing turned on, and you will have various shapes that you can use in your scene. And for the textures here, I've used a setup which is a bit complicated. Maybe it may seem a bit complicated, but it's not that much. I would just mix some noises here for the bump to have these details here. As you can see here, for these details I've used the noise textures applied into color ramp and the bump of principal BSDF. And for these dunes, I have mixed the noise texture with a Musgrave texture plugged to the material output displacement, which have worked effectively to have these kinds of displacements here. And I've applied the same material for the dunes here too. And the next thing that I've added is this grass that you see here. I have not modeled these, of course, obviously. I've got them from BlendSwap, which is a platform that provides free Blender resources specifically. As you can see here, there are many stuff that you can download. You can choose the licenses and many other stuff. I think that I've used this one. Yeah, this one right here. I've downloaded it and there was many collections. As you can see here, grass flower, grass straw, and many other ones. I've collected the different types of grass and added them to a collection, selected my plane and added a particle system with the weight painted on, so I control the position of the grass wherever I want, like this, and I've got my grass in place. And for the floor that the grass is applied on is just simple plane with many subdivisions and with same material as the dunes from before. The next item is a chair, simple chair that I've gotten from CG Trader, I think. Yeah, it was a free asset. So CG Trader is a well-known website for 3D models. I've uploaded from here. There are many items for free and paid ones. And the last thing that I've added, or not the last one, yeah, the cloud. The cloud obviously was a bit hard. I didn't do it myself, actually. I've relied on this tutorial of CG Matter. It was pretty easy, pretty fun actually. The process was pretty fun following along with the tutorial. It's procedural. You can follow the tutorial and see what result you would have. It's pretty fun. And the last thing is this sky that I've had in the background. It's also procedural. It's just a plane, as you can see here, just a plane with some noise applied on it. Here is the node setup for it, just a simple one. I've mixed a transparent BSDF with an emission node. Here is the color of my clouds, and this one controlling the amount of noise applied into it, so you can change it like this using the color ramp. It's just a simple node setup. You can pause the video right here to copy it. So this is pretty much it. And yeah, for the overall lighting of the scene, I've used the sky texture that is integrated in Blender. I've changed the setup or the settings till I had what I want, the appropriate lighting for my scene. I've basically changed it many times till I have these or this amount of lighting and intensity of the sun. So I think that is pretty much it for this video. It was not a deep tutorial with detail. I just wanted to get back on track for YouTube and upload something for you. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one inshallah.